Yes! Yes!
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today at Disney's Hollywood Studios inside of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Let's check it out. People, so you're walking and Carly in the Millennium Falcon. Crazy, right? So here we go.
Of coaxium. Gunners, you play the
Alright folks, so here we go.
Line up behind the train.
About to go
and
back
engineers,
to
you harpooned that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. I am coming along.
Alright folks, here we go.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Only one pilot? You won't be able to steer with it. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, whoopsies.
Oh.
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No, gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Right, pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed. Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane!
Down!
Oh. Pilot brakes!
Oh!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Pongo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Cargo's breaking, keep shooting! Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We gotta get out of here! Yes! And distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Right, pilot! Hit the boosters! Look! pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.